Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage quarterly taxes in Lendio. Quarterly estimate taxes are a reality for most small businesses, and Lendio can help you to stay compliant. All you got to do is follow these steps. First, log into your Lendio account. Once you're in, go to the tax dashboard. There you want to select quarterly tax management. Then connect your business bank account and bookkeeping software. That could be QuickBooks, Xero, or manual entry. Next, Lendio automatically calculates projected incomes, deductions, and estimated tax liabilities. All you got to do is review your quarterly due dates. The IRS deadlines is April, June, September, and January. Once that's done, you want to choose a funding method. You could have direct debit from bank accounts, or you could apply loan proceeds earmarked for taxes. Click Schedule Payments to set up IRS or state tax payments directly from Lendio, and you can also save or export quarterly tax vouchers for your records. Use Lendio's tax reminders to avoid penalties for late payments. And a quick tip is to turn on automatic tax withholdings in Lendio to set aside a percentage of revenue each month. This makes quarterly payments painless. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.